Hello YouTube, this is Toy Reviewer Hugo here. Today I'm doing a review on Lego Starfire. So this is basically what she looks like. This is her bits on the side she has pink hair, pink outfit. This is the green eyes. So green eyes I can tell, sorry it wasn't focused. This is her outfit. Lipstick, green eyes, eyelashes, the same beam things on the sides. She shoots green laser beams. Thank you for watching the short review on Starfire. I will be doing another review, some more Lego reviews. Comment down below, hit the video with a like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. See you all later, peace out.